After months of anticipation and countless rumors, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Nikon has just unveiled their latest masterpiece, the Nikon Z6 III. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything this powerhouse camera has to offer and why it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the autofocus system. Nikon claims the Z6 III has a 20% faster autofocus than its predecessor, making it one of the quickest in its class. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or capturing those precious candid moments, this camera won't miss a beat. But that's not all. The Z6 III also excels in video recording capabilities. It can shoot stunning 4K videos at 120 frames per second, perfect for those cinematic slow-motion shots. And for those looking for even higher resolution, it offers 6K recording at 60 frames per second. With support for 12-bit 6K NRAW and ProRes RAW HQ, as well as 10-bit 5.4K ProRes 422 and H.265 recording, the Z6 III is a videographer's dream come true. One of the standout features of the Z6 III is its electronic viewfinder. Boasting a brightness of 4,000 nits, it's the brightest EVF to date according to Nikon. This means you'll be able to see your shots with unparalleled clarity, even in the brightest conditions. Under the hood, the Z6 III is powered by the EXPEED 7 high-speed image processing engine. This advanced technology allows for pre-release capture, enabling you to capture up to 1 second before the shutter is fully pressed at a maximum speed of 120 frames per second. Plus, it can capture 24 megapixel images at an impressive 60 frames per second, offering higher resolution than the Z9 and Z8. Now, for the big question, how much does this beast cost? The Nikon Z6 III is available for $2,499. It's currently listed on Amazon US, though it's out of stock at the moment. You can also find it on the official Nikon USA website. For more detailed information and to keep an eye on availability, head over to Nikon USA's official website. Trust me, this camera is worth every penny. So there you have it, folks. The Nikon Z6 III is an absolute powerhouse, packed with features that will elevate your photography and videography to the next level. If you're as excited about this camera as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Z6 III. Are you planning to get one? What features are you most excited about? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.